Video 2 of our midterm exam review. We're going to start by making another new part. I'm going to confirm that our settings are correct by going into Document Properties, ANSI, Units, Inches, 4 decimal places. We're set up to go. Again, we're going to start with an extruded boss on the front plane. Polygon tool one more time using the origin. And in this case, our dimensions from flat to flat are going to be 2 3/4. Oops, 2.75. Okay. I'm going to select this line and make sure that it's horizontal. And then we're going to put a couple of circles. The first circle starts at the origin and is tangent. You can see the symbol showing up there. The second circle also starts at the origin. And when we add a dimension for this one, this is going to make this circle 1.5. Okay. 1.5. Okay. Hit OK. We've got our sketch. We're ready to extrude. When we exit the sketch, we're going to need to select this a little differently. I'm going to clear this selection down here by right-clicking, go to Clear Selection. I'm going to select a mid-plane extrusion this time. I want to select this, and I want all these little pieces here. I'm just going to go around and select each of those contours, and we're going to make this extrusion 3/4 of an inch. Hit OK. And we're going to go back to extrude. In this case, we've got to open up our tree, select that same sketch, and we're going to select the circle this time. Again, we're going to go with a mid-plane extrusion. Our distance is going to jump to 2, and we should be okay. Alright, so that's what that part looks like. Whoops, I'm supposed to have a hole in there. I'm going to go back and edit that. And instead of this sketch here, I just want to select this portion here. Notice that I got the donut this time. I hit OK, and we end up with the hole in the middle, which is what I want. Alright, finally we need to put an additional hole that's a little larger diameter right in the center of this. That's going to go through 1 3/4 inches and have the same threads as our lock nut. So we're going to select the hole wizard. We're going to select threads, straight tap. This is the last size we chose, so it's still there. We're going to select the 2-inch diameter, 4.5 threads per inch, through all, with callouts. So these settings should all be the same. We now need to tell it where we want to put it. I'm going to select this surface, and I'm going to select my origin again. Oops, I made a mistake and I said through all. We're going to go back and edit that. So we can come back here, and end condition is going to be blind, and it's going to be 1.75. See what that looks like. Okay. And that is correct. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. Probably should have saved a little earlier. We're going to put it in the same folder, our exam review folder. And this one is going to be called last name, first initial, packing nut. Oops. Let's try that again. Alright,